In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OR in Excel. We will walk through a simple example together so you can see exactly how the OR function works and what the result means in your sheet. First, enter your data. In cell A1, type exam 1, and in cell B1, type exam 2. These are your column headings. Then in cell A2, type 80, and in cell B2, type 60. After you enter those numbers, look at the sheet to confirm you have two columns, with the labels on top and the scores directly underneath. At this point, Excel treats these numbers as normal values that you can use in formulas, so they are ready for the OR function. Now click the result cell. Move to cell C2 and click it once so it becomes the active cell with the border around it. This is where Excel will show the outcome of the OR test for the two exam scores in that same row. You should see the cursor ready in the formula bar and in the cell, but do not click anywhere else yet. Beginners sometimes accidentally click A2 or B2 again, which would put the formula in the wrong place, so double check that C2 is highlighted. Next, type the formula. In cell C2, type equal OR, then an opening bracket, A2 greater than or equal to 75, comma, B2 greater than or equal to 75, then a closing bracket. It should look like this when you are done typing. Equal OR open bracket, A2 greater than or equal 75, comma, B2 greater than or equal 75 close bracket. The OR function checks each condition you give it and returns true if at least one of them is met. Here, the first condition tests whether exam 1 in A2 is 75 or higher, and the second condition tests whether exam 2 in B2 is 75 or higher. Notice that you are comparing the cells to the passing mark. You are not typing the word true or false anywhere. Excel will handle that part for you. After that, press Enter. When you press Enter, Excel evaluates both conditions using the scores you entered. In this example, A2 is 80, which is greater than or equal to 75, while B2 is 60, which is below 75. Because OR only needs one condition to be met, the final result in cell C2 will show the word true. If you later change the numbers in A2 or B2, Excel will automatically recalculate and the true or false result in C2 will update instantly without any extra steps. You have now used the OR function in Excel to test two exam scores and return a true result when at least one meets the passing mark. If this helped you understand OR in a real example, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more Excel tips.